You asked, we listened. Want to get a grade 9 in GCSE Science? Ditch the distractions. Join us on Zoom for the ultimate revision experience. After the success of AMALathon 1, we're back with all 3 sciences: biology, chemistry and physics. This isn't your average revision class. AMALathon 2 is back and better than ever. It's more intimate, more exclusive and totally worth it. We provide a UK-based expert tutor, excelling your shot at a grade 9. What's included? AMALathon 2 equals your 2-step launchpad to success. 1. 6-day grade boosting expedition. 3 hours of expert-led study each day. Master Key Paper 2. Topics in biology, chemistry and physics. 2. New pre-exam masterclasses. High-impact 3-hour sessions the weekend before each exam. Fast-track your final prep with the proven AMAL method. And the best part is, you can get this for just £108. That's 36 hours of premium revision, worth £144 at only £3 an hour, a 25% discount. AMALathon 2, 24th to 29th May, Masterclasses, weekend before GCSE paper. So secure your seat on the launchpad to success by visiting AMALearning.space and power up your grades today. Register for AMALathon 2 now, link in the description below. What are you waiting for? Limited seats are available.